that moment when people will send you a WhatsApp message, before you will say Jack Robinson, the message had disappeared. That means they had actually deleted it. They have sent it and decided to delete the message before you could read it, right? I don't know who can identify with this, but this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually retrieve that message and read it. Yes, because the aim is they don't want you to read that message, whatever is the message. They don't want you to read it. So I'm going to take you step by step and show you in this video how you can retrieve the message and read the message. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, save, and share this video and follow me. Now let's go, guys. First thing you'll do is click on settings on your phone, which is this. Now when you click on settings, you see where it says notifications. Click on notifications. Some people, their own will not say notification, but if yours says some people, their own will say notification settings or something like that. But just click on notifications and so I click on it. So see where it says advanced settings. So click on advanced settings, and the next is notification history, which is this one here. Click on that. You can see that my notification history is turned off. So I'm going to turn it on and then go back and send myself a message and delete that particular message, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to turn it on. It is turned on. So at this point, I'm going to use my other phone to message myself. So stay with me. Okay, guys, so I used my other phone to send myself a message, and that message says, "Hi dear, how are you?" Right? So I'm going to delete this message and check. We'll go back and retrace our steps and find out if we're going to find the message in the notification. So let me go ahead and delete it. Okay, so you can see the message had been deleted by the person that sent that message to me, because we've set our notification history. So now that the message is deleted, we're going to go back to settings, notifications here. So we're going to go to advanced settings, click on that, and then we'll click on notification history. As you can see, that message that was deleted is now on my phone. "Hi dear, how are you?" You can see. So this is how those people that think they are smart, they will send you a WhatsApp message. Before you know it, they have deleted that WhatsApp message. So this is how you retrieve that WhatsApp message back. So go ahead and set your notification history so that anybody that deletes any WhatsApp message they have sent to you, you will still read it. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to save, like, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me. Yes. So I'll see you next time. You're welcome.